Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Seminyak area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. If you want to know the situation at the moment right there, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today I will drive around in Seminyak area on Petitenget Street and Kayu Aya St during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali on August 2021. Okay guys, at the front right side there is the big hotel. Actually, Petitenget is very famous because a lot of the big hotel around here and some shopping area. And also in this Petitenget very famous because there is a lot of the night bar and famous restaurant. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video because I always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. You see right side? That is also a big hotel. But this is very quiet. And usually in this area, a lot of the transportation like taxi, Grab and Gojek. But you see, today is not so many taxi. So that's why it's like very stranger for us too. At the front, if I turn left, there is the villa area in Seminyak. But today I just want to explore about Petitenget Street and Kayu Aya. Big hotel right side. On this video, I make video around 7 minutes. I driving in Seminyak area and I make video without skip because I just want to show you how look like the real condition at the moment in Seminyak area. There's also a big hotel right side and left side. And at the front right side there is W Hotel. And also in the right side, there is the entrance to go to Potato Head, but also quiet. Okay, now in left side, there is a taxi parking. So that's the first taxi I see today on Petitenget Street. There's also a big hotel at the front. Oh, there's lots of motorbike there. That's good. But I think there's people just doing vaccine right there because just motorbike, no cars. You see the garden? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Actually, this garden from Village Temple. So there is Village Temple on the right side. And there is the entrance to go to Petitenget Beach, right side. Okay, now we turn right and then we will explore Kayu Aya Street. On the right side, there is big hotel we call Samaya, and also they have bar on the beach. It's very beautiful too. So you can come to this hotel so you can enjoy your drink with the sunset in the afternoon. It's very beautiful there because this hotel is connecting by the ocean. this is another hotel on the right side, the big one. But look very quiet, there's no people there. I mean, not so many activities today. And also on the sidewalk, there is very empty. Not tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And at the right side, there is the Seminyak Hotel. And this hotel also connected by the ocean. It's a very beautiful hotel, but look quiet. Some people having ceremony today. You see that the two girl there? They bring offering. And the right side there is a kudeta. Also quiet. And at the right side there is art market. Usually around here always busy, people walk around on the sidewalk. But today it's very empty, no people there. You see, that is art market. It's very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Seminyak area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Because lots of people want to know the situation at the moment in Seminyak area. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.